How to fix Zoom Workspace app connecting problem. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Zoom Workspace app connection problem on your phone. So if your app keeps saying connecting or just won't load, follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi. Sometimes the problem isn't the app, it's just a weak or unstable connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, restarting your router can also clear small glitches. Next, let's restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Choose Restart or Power Off, wait a few seconds, then turn your phone back on. This helps clear temporary glitches that might be interfering with the app. Once your phone is back on, open Zoom Workspace again and try connecting. It should now work perfectly. Now, if it's still not connecting, reinstall the Zoom Workspace app. Go ahead and delete the app from your phone. Once it's gone, open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Zoom Workspace and reinstall it. A fresh install usually clears out any bugs or corrupted files that might be causing the connection issue. And that's it. These quick steps usually fix most connection problems with Zoom Workspace. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you still have any issues. I'll be happy to help.